In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a Gantt chart in Excel. Gantt charts are perfect for visualizing project timelines, and you don't have to build one from scratch because Excel has a built-in template ready to go. Step 1. Open the New Document menu. To get started, navigate to the top left corner of your Excel window and click on the File tab. This opens the Backstage view. From the sidebar on the left, click on New to open Excel's template library. Step 2. Search for the Gantt template. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the template area. Click inside it, type the word Gantt, and press Enter. Excel will instantly search its database and display all available project timeline templates. Step 3. Create the chart. Look through the search results and find the template named Simple Gantt Chart. Double-click on it, and Excel will immediately open a brand new pre-formatted spreadsheet with a fully functional timeline layout. And that is all there is to it. Now you can simply replace the placeholder data with your own task names, start dates, and durations. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy Excel tips.